as well as the another sutta also, 219 also we have already for the new agenda. Okay, so now to understand so now Nabonsaka Lenga. So Nabonsaka Lenga stamp up. So new agenda that at the time, C is changed to the but so the number 219. Now C and the so but this R is stamp R is draw. Okay. So finally we have the and in this way. So now after the R, when we use the Patama Vibhati Ekavachana or nominative case singular C, so we can have two we like all and the all is for masculine. Okay, all is for masculine. And then so based on that, to see clearly, so we should make chart. Okay, so so case and then so Batama and the Alapana, so Dudiya, Tadiya, and Jadot and Chati and Panjami, and then Sadami, just to familiar with those terms, actually nominated case and so on we have already. So ask term the Ekavachana. Okay. So now that are so are with the all. Sorry. This one is here suttas. List out those suttas. Now here so it's 10 plus Vibhati. So and here also Vibhati. After that So this one is for Bowlinga. And this column is Nabosaka Linga, neuter gender. Okay. So now for the Bhattama Vibhedi, we finished R. After that, C. But that C is changed to the, finally we get the only O form. So to understand that, firstly C changed to the O is so the number 104. And then R drop is so the number 83 briefly. For neuter, so R stem and the C. So, but we get the to understand that one. So firstly 219, after that so the number 83. So in this way can be. Okay, now, so R and the C. So like a Buddha and the Buddha. So both the vocative case actually Buddha. Maybe sometimes, R form also. But in the Gijayana one sutta, so therefore that vocative case is here. So Sisa do loban Kasipi. So not Basipi, actually Ga. So some type of actually should see Kasipi. Sisa do loban Kasipi. So Gasi a bit. So in this way. So here Sisa do me after Nedehi Lingehi. So the door refers to these nominative, so masculine Bowlinga are and the Bowlinga are. So after that, so the donated, so after those are the donated he, and also Sisa Kata, maybe something missing. Sorry, I need to check him. This one is so that number 220. In some applications, such a typo we can find. So actually si sato. So the don linge he. So here is so linge he si sato kasi ejete. So lo ban abijete. So lo ban abijete. So after the other. Okay. One so that we need to. Sorry, before that one so that also. Yeah, this sutta also we need to know. So the meaning of this sutta, you see, akara, bita, deyanta, nam a bida dianda. So firstly, we divided. So akara is one word, and bidadi is one word. Bidadi and nan. So okay, it should be here. And then so in this way can be understood. So now the meaning of that one, agaroja, bidadina. So even though here bidadina, agaro. So according to Wodi, agaroja, and then so bidadina andoja. So adam abijati. So adan abijati. Okay, so now the meaning of this sutta, you see, so ge bari. So ge refers to the vocative case singular or alabana si. So actually, so ge is locative case singular, maybe subject. Bari can be understood the predicate. So ge bari means like a locative absolute. So when so God follow. Okay, when God follows. But as a shortcut, so some scholar translated, so followed by God. But that one is not so literal to understand. Okay, so but meaning is right. Meaning is right. But according to Pali grammar, it should be when God follows. So in this way can be understood. So agaroja and bidadina and doja. So agaroja. So the letter R and the ja means as well as so bidadina and doja. So the ando means the ending vowel, the ending of, the ending of bitu, etc. Okay, later bitu we will explain. So adan abijate. So adan abijate. So here adan abijate, such a usage also abijate, reach to the adan abijate. So commonly abijate means reach, but in this case, reach to the art or chain to the art or may becomes also simply can be understood. So commonly, so at the abijate, so can be understood, becomes up in this way, becomes up. So when we can replace, for example, 8 dan abijate, so becomes e, or 8 dan abijate becomes u in this way can be understood. So now the letter R and also, here R become Adam, even though here Adam, but this Adam should be long one. The Adam ability becomes R. Adam ability. So some typo. So because this R is explained at the Adam ability. So the letter R as well as the ending vowel of B2. So it becomes R in this way, can be. Becomes R. So that means in the vocative case, so for example, in masculine as well as the neuter, so C, the masculine or neuter are after C, but this C is vocative case, the design Ga. So at that time, this R is changed to the R in this way, according to the meaning of this rule. The meaning of this rule is like this. Oh, sorry. So that is the first form in this chart here. So in this case, Alabama case, changing so R change to the R and the C Ga. Okay, that is according to resultant number, so 244. So not finished yet. Now, so position is like this, R and the C, not finished yet. We need to learn the other one also. And then, so way of Kijana is like this. And then one more, so now one position. So we have in the Alabana, the first form is, now we get the R. Okay, after that, so next soda is here. So Sisa do lo bangasi B. So Sisa, okay, Sisa do, so the do nede de hi lenge hi Sisa do. So Gasi HJD loba mabichete. So after that, that. So Bokete case is dropped. So now the meaning of this, so that we need to know that Sisa do. So okay, that Sisa do lo bangasi B. So the do nede te hi lenge hi Sisa do. So that one, all of them are, ablative case. So that is, after. Sisa do mean remaining. After remaining lenge he stems. After remaining stand, so the don't need he. So except from or apart from. So the don't apart from those. Need data me already described, already explained. Need data me seen. DHAMMA already explained it. So that means after those, okay, so apart from, so that data, yeah, after the remaining stems, so these are also ability kits that are connected with that. So that are shown in this way can be understood. After remaining stem that are shown, so QUC, so Ka mean positive case Ka, and the C, Ka and C are so low band arbitration. So are or become elided. So nothing changed, will be elided. So that is why in the chart. So now R change to the R, that means 2, 4, 4. And also this C, that is QUC. So will be dropped. So that is 220. So C will be dropped. So that is only R remain, you see, only R remain. So C drop in. Okay, C drop. So also, okay, this C, just to understand, C drop. So that is only remain R in this case. Now R from the like a Buddha or something. So after that, so we have the one more form. Now R, so that R becomes short. So that is R form and the R form. So R becoming short, we need to learn the one soda also. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, this soda 2, 4, 6. Maybe this soda here should be in this place. So agaro wa. So agaro rasa mabijate wa gebri. So this one is option. So agaro wa. So gebri, when God follows, so so wa me optionally. So become short, rasa mabijate. Become short, not as up. So that means when the first form became the R, now the second form became as a up. So that is an R up. So after that, God drop. Okay, so now this one is so that number 2, 4, 6. So we have the two form, R form and the R form, Buddha. But in Pali it's Buddha in this way, just so to pronounce easily, Buddha. Buddha, 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 like that. So Buddhisa, 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 Buddhisa. So to actually we already know that, but just to understand how the Kijana explained. Okay. So that is why those Soda are collected in this way, not in Kijana Soda order. So to in the new agenda also the same structure, only in the the Bhattama or nominated case is a bit different, but for the vocative case the same. So same as the Bolinga. So that means those of the in the vocative case, so stem is and then C, but we have the R as well as the R form according to these rules in this way. Can be understood. Okay, here also, yeah, like this. Okay, in this way can be. And then now for the Dutiya accusative case. So, R stems here we have, okay. Now these are, I will delete it because now we can understand in this way. So in this position, Dutiya, so after that, if we add the accusative case and, or Dutiya already singular and, so here very obvious to understand here because of and, this R will be dropped. So we don't need to do any, we don't need to apply any other rule, only this rule, Sra Lobo, Madisa, and Adisa, followed by the and. So the ending vowel of the stem is dropped. So that is why finally just we have the and in this way. So that is why just 83. Here also actually just and. So that is just 80. Sralobo Madisa Pejyatemi, Sralobedu Bhagati. And then now, so Tadya Vibhati. So Tadya instrumental case. So here we have already, Tadya Vibhati Ikawajana is na. So na. So after the how happened. So for that one, now another sutta we need to learn. So sutta number 103. So adonina. So that adonina also should be divided. Ador. So after the na and the ena. So that's a ma akarato nawajanasa ena de so hoti. Here also that's a ma akarato. So after this term akara, even though, so after the letter a, literally, after the letter a, the stem or linga alinga, those linga stem ending in the a. So now janasa ena de so hoti. So ena is so substituted for na. Now janasa na we bet it. And now we bet it. So that means after the a stem, this na, but this na is changed to the ena. So in this way can be. Now as a shortcut or as a pattern, this one. So now in this chart, so na is changed to the a na, but here actually this a still remain a na. So according to a now na is changed to the a na. That is, so the number we land now is 103. Okay, such a change in 103 adonina. So after that, this a will be dropped. So followed by this a na. That is adesa, right? So that is according to Soda number 83. Sralopo madesa bajyate mi sralopetu pakati. So in the so start from the instrumental case, so the same as the masculine. Okay, so that is I will write for the Naposaka Linga. So now let's go to the Jadoti and the Chatti. So stem up. So stem up. After that, this sa. So deity and genetic case singular sa. So here you see deity. Jadoti vibed eka vajana sa. Chatti vibed eka vajana sa. So sa. And then what happened? Now, so let's learn the another sutta. So sutta number 61. So Sagamosi. So Sagamosi should be divided. So actually, this is just for recitation, reciting. Sa Agamosi. So that means, so say is say vibhati me. Say vibhati me. That is, when. So sa vibhati follows. So yesterday also I explained, when we see in the grammatical rules such a located case, mostly can be understood as the located absolute. That is why, say we were de me bari like that. So that is a say we were de me when sa we were de follows. So sa gara gamo hodi. So sa agamo hodi. So letter sa. So sa is inserted. Sa letter sa, only sa, no a included actually. Only sa is inserted. That is within the bracket. So that means a stem. Actually, you see, no a stem. Actually, all stem. So that one we should. All stems. Not talking about the sa. Here Buddhisa a ending. So egi mean e ending. Isi also e ending. So dandesa mean dandi e ending. So bekosa beku u ending. So siambosa siambu and the abibu u ending. And also the other ending also. That is all stems or all linga. All linga, when we use sa, before that, one sa is inserted. So in this way, can be understood. The meaning of this sutta as a pattern, shortcut. So this rule is not only for the a actually, for all stems. A ending, so e ending, e ending, u ending also. Okay. So that is before sa. So one letter sa is inserted. That is why here become the asa in this way. So asa. So that is only the 61 sutta. So we don't need to drop anything. So followed by the consonant. That one is just insertion, no adesa. So here agamo, agama mean, okay, in this sutta. So agama can be understood as a insertion, or maybe so as a together with the verb to be inserted, and also so augmental. Maybe I'm not sure spelling, so let me check in the dictionary. So augment, yeah, augmented, augment or augmented. Side is augmented. In this way also, inserted or augmented, the same meaning, synonym, but inserted is very common to us. That is one, augmented. So this soda, 61 soda, will be applying for the, those EU ending or EU ending, or and so other stem are also, we will find that. So that is all stems here, just that. And then now, for the ablative case, the first one, after that the sama. So we have the just asama, nothing to change. So we don't need to change anything, you see. Okay. But another form is, a and the sama, but this, so we have the, amma. Okay, for that form, so we need to learn. Yeah. So after soda number 61, now 99. So sama, he, same, nan. So ma, bi, mi, wa. Okay. So we don't need, so this name is not his ending included. So here also sabado lingato. Okay. So sabado lingato. After all, stems. So sama, he, same. So ag desan, ma, bi, mi, ag de adesa hondi. Wa. So that means ma, bi, mi, ah. Because of this wa, optionally. So adesa. So substituted for, sama, he, and the same. And then, so yatha sankhya, respectively. So respectively also I already explained yesterday in the introduction. So respectively means according to number. So that means, so ma is substituted for the sama. Okay. So this one is 1. So this one is 2. So this one is 3. So here Sama also, this one is 1. And this one is 2. And this one is, 3. In this way, 1 4 1, 2 4 2, 3 4 3, in this way. So that one can be understood. So all stems, so that means are maybe, so feminine gender is not included. Later we will see that. Maybe are also, yeah. So E, and U, and O. So Sama is changed to the Ma, that is one part. And then for singular, Samain is changed to the Me. And then for plural side, it is changed to the B in this way. So respectively can be understood after all stems. So that is why, according to Sutta number 99, so this one is Sutta number 99. Sama is changed to the Ma. Okay. So, and then here for the Samain also, we have put in. The first one is Samain. Sorry, it was font size too big. That is. So Asmay. So for that one, we don't need to do anything. But for the next, after the stem, so Betsamay, and then become the meat. So the one is order number 99. Okay. And then one more rule, we need to learn that one for the singular. So Sama Samay Nanwa. So the number 108. So Sama Samay Nanwa. So now here, that's Sama Akara Do Sabbisan Sama Same Ichitisan I.E. Adisa Hundi or Yata simple. But this rule is only after the A. So that's Sama Akara Do. So after the letter A. So Sabbisan Sama Same Ichitisan I.E. Adisa Hundi wa. So A. E, R. So here also Y, you see. R. So optionally, so Adesa. So substituted for subbase the entire Sama and so Samay and then Yatasankhya respectively. So that means as a shortcut or as a pattern. So after the R stand, so Sama is changed to the R. After the R stand, Samay is changed to the A. Okay. So because of that, here we have the one more form. So that number, so 108. So after the R and the Sama, but we have only the R. That's 108. So to after the R and Samain, but only the A. So 108. So because of this R, this R will be dropped. So, but the others are not necessary to be dropped. Only maybe they are, start with the consonant that is part. But for this form, R will be dropped. So that is one. That is according to 83. Here also 83. Okay. So 83. So now these are for singular. Singular we can understand in this way. So after the R. So that is why here Buddha and the Buddha, Buddha or Buddha, Buddha, and then Buddha and Buddhina, Buddhasa, and Buddha Sama, Buddhamma, Buddha, and the Buddha Same, and the Buddhami, and the Buddhi for singular. So how they are formed in this way. So Kijana explain with these suttas by that. So sutta numbers actually. Okay, so for the masculine gender, neuter gender, ending in the R or R stem. So singular case and singular. With the singular vibhati, ekavachana vibhati, we finish. And then now, so starting from that samasame now. So from this one, so we will have the bahuvachana. Okay, now I will copy this. So bowling got back us time. Now, so bahuvachana. Okay. So now bahuvachana vibhati, for example, so now after that the your. Here also vocative case after that the your. But Dutiya also after that the your. And here after that the your he. And then here after that the so dated. So Jadoti Chati is name. And Benjamin and the he, and then and the su. Okay, su. For the Nabonsaka also, Nabonsaka neuter gender is mostly the same as the masculine gender. Only Patama, Alabana, and Dutiya is different. Not different. One more form. Your and the and the your and the and the your. Okay, other. So starting from that, the same as the masculine. So among them, one soda we have already learned here. Samahi Samaina Mabimua after the R. So he is changed to the B. That he is here already. So that the he and the Benjamin he. Okay. That dia he Benjamin he. So that he is that one also optionally, you see. We have the one more form is he. Okay. Another form is B. So now for the he change to the B, we have already learned that one. So here, this soda number 99. Okay. So soda number 99 will be here also soda number 99. So here also will be a he and the a b. But so change to the a. You see here not he b. So change to the a. For that one we need to learn. So that is why I actually we should learn from the Patama Vibhati. But so here this part we already. That is why Okay. Now so start from this one. So and the your. But so Buddha become the Buddha, right? So for that one, okay, this soda. So Sabba Yo Ni Nan A. So Sabba Yo Ni Nan actually A. So actually Sabba mean all, Yo mean your, Ni Nan mean Ni Nan. So all your and the Ni. All your and the Ni change to the R and the A. So that's a ma agara do. Yeah. So after the letter A. So adisa hundi wa. So R and E R. So here also wa optionally. So substituted for Sabbesan Yonina. So for the entire Yo and Ni, and also Yatha Sankhya respectively. So as a shortcut, this soda, stem is A. So after that, we can find the Yo. So this Yo is changed to the R. Maybe according to this rule, here talking about the Yo and the Ni. Maybe so instead of saying the entire, all is better. All yours, maybe plural form, yours and the needs. Us. Okay, all yours and but need we don't know yet actually, but you already. So this your in the chart of the Vibhati, you see here. Okay, now only one chart we need to. So this one is Alabana. Alabana also C and the your. Okay. But that is part of the Patama Vibhati. So this C, so we use ka. But your is just your, all your mean these three yours. These three yours. So now here ni is not included yet. All yours. So I already explained, this alabana yo is part of the Bhattama yo. That is why mainly we can understand. So all yo mean so Bhattama yo and the Dutiya yo. Okay, Bhattama yo and the Dutiya yo. So now in this sutta, so yo is after the we have the maybe Bhattama yo means shortcut fast yo. Okay, and then after the so this one is second yo. In this way can be understood. So now yo is Bhattama yo and Dutiya yo. So optionally, respectively, according to the number. So Pratama yo is first, Dutiya yo is second. First yo, second yo. So to here, R is first, A is second. That is that is the meaning of the respectively or yatha sankhya. Pratama yo change to the R, Dutiya yo change to the A. In this way, it can be understood. So too, even though we don't know yet, this need also connected with the sub-base, your need. So now we can guess R and the, so first, Patama need change to the R and the up, so R stand. So Dutiya need or second need change to the A. In this way can be understood. But what is need? We have not studied yet. Okay, as a shortcut in this way. So, okay, need is for next time. Now, so later. So we will learn the So because of that here, your change to the R. Okay, so that is according to this sutta number Sabha Yoni Ma A107. And then, so when this yo is changed to the R and the, so R and the R two vowels together, so this R will be dropped according to the Sutta number 83 Saralobo Madisa Pajya Demi. So this Alabana yo also part of the Bhattama yo, belonging to the Bhattama yo. That is when this yo also changed to the R. So that is 107. And then R drop. That is 83. Okay, for masculine, you see. And this yo is Dutiya yo, second yo. That is, this yo is changed to the A. The same sutta, just changing is different. 107. And then because of this A, R is dropped. So 83. You see? 83. Okay, now for the neuter. So even though we use here your originally, but for the neuter, so we need to learn the ones to two rules. Actually, this one is for the other vowel, like here, ati, are you for the, so for the i, u. Actually, we need to learn this one. Sorry. Only one last sutta. So Sabha Yoni Ma A. Okay, so here adonate. So adonate, but so that is not incompleted, but in what Agarande hi nabosaka lenge hi. So yone ni hoti nejan. So after neuter, so neuter gender letter. Sorry, after neuter gender stem, so guarantee he, so ending in so your name need coordination. So actually, you see, your name need coordination. So need is always for your name is dative case. So need is nature always for your. So that means even though originally your we were D, but after the R, so that your is replaced with the need always. So that is why that one so can be understood stem and the need in this way. So need is for the neuter gender. So that is a neuter gender sign also as a pattern. Okay, so now this your is we can understand the need. So that means R plus need. And here also, sorry. So your is need. And here also your is need. And here also your is need. So like that. And then, so one form. Now, so according to this, so that, all need. So this need is changed to the R. And then, so this R will be dropped. That is so the number 1C. So the first one, your is changed to the need. Now one so that we already learned is 218. 218. After that need is changed to the R. So that is 107. And then, so this R is so not dropped yet, you see? Not dropped yet. Okay, now R. Okay, now. So after the R, this, according to this soda, so this R is dropped. So that is 83. Here also, 218, your is changed to the ni, but then ni is changed to the R, that is 107. And then R, so R stamp is dropped, and that is 83. Okay. And then here also, that is Dudiya ni, that is A. So your is changed to the ni 218, and the ni is changed to the R107, and then 83 R is dropped. Okay, but in the neuter we have the one more form by the R stand, and also your, and then need. But we have the just R need form. Okay, here also. R need form here also. R need form. So for that one, so firstly, your is changed to the need. That is 218. But, this need is not changed to the R. So we don't apply the, this 107. So in the 107, so the number 107, you see here, optionally, you see, optionally. So that is why not change to the R or A. Instead, so we need to learn the another one. Oh, your nanny napos again. Sorry for that one. Bone laying up. And the, so for the bone laying up. Oh, one so that we need to learn. Okay. Now, so 1/2 hour already. That one is Yosukata Nikara Lobe Sutike. But for next time, because we need to explain, we need to take a little bit time. So now we finish for masculine gender plural. So for Patama Vivedi, Tudia Vivedi, but so neuter gender still remain. Okay, so that is for tomorrow. So let's stop here by saying sadhu. So 1, 2, sadhu.